So in this video, we will talk about how you can set up the AI settings for your store. First of all, you need to write the store name. Like here, we write the snowboard. Next is the store description. You can write the store description and also about the products you are selling. And next is the AI agent name. You can write any name, like James, and also then you need to select the gender of the agent. Next, you have to select the language preferences. Like here, I select English. And if your target market is other than English-speaking countries, you can also select other languages, like Arabic or any other language from this list. And after this, we have the AI order features. The first feature is the order status check. If we allow AI to do this, then the AI will provide the order status to our customers. And the next feature is order placement. If we allow this, then the AI can directly place the orders from the WhatsApp chat. And in order placement method, we have two options, COD, cash on delivery, and also the payment invoice. After doing all this, we just need to enable AI customer service and just save the AI settings.